Nestled into the dramatic northern face of the Peña de Valle de Bravo, a place defined by its raw, rocky cliffs and unique, resilient flora, lies Las Rocas. This complex of 4 distinct homes, brought to life by IUA Ignacio Urquiza Arquitectos and apda Ana Paula de Alba, isn't just built on the land, it emerges from it, an extension of the bordering nature reserve. The architect's approach was born from a profound respect for this delicate ecosystem, meticulously studying the 6,400 square meters site to find pockets where construction could occur with minimal intrusion. Every decision, from the placement of structures to the preservation of natural runoff and ancient vegetation, was guided by a desire to create a harmonious and regenerative dialogue between the built environment and the wild. The journey to Las Rocas begins subtly, down a small, cobblestone street that culminates in a humble distribution plaza. Here, the trappings of urban life, vehicles, storage, and essential utilities are discreetly tucked away. This plaza serves as a crucial threshold, a point of immediate disconnection. From this juncture, visitors shed their cars and step onto winding sidewalks, ascending stairs, and traversing small plazas. This pedestrian-only passage isn't merely about access, it's a deliberate act of shedding the city's veneer, a soft transition into a world where the rhythm of nature dictates the pace. At the heart of Las Rocas' design lies a dynamic, modular system. Each of the 4 houses, though composed of identical elements, boasts a unique configuration. Volumes are free to shift and pivot in 6 directions, allowing them to precisely adapt to the nuances of their specific location. This seemingly simple system creates intricate dialogues with nature, with intentional voids separating the modules to invite in light, air, and breathtaking views. Here, the lines between inside and out beautifully blur. A bathroom might embrace a raw rock face, a tree might become an integral part of the roofline, and the very earth itself could serve as a walkway or staircase. Nature isn't just observed, it's the ultimate collaborator, setting the design guidelines and breathing life into every space. The project's pathways, a linear axis weaving through horizontal and vertical planes, adapt their dimensions to the shifting positions of these volumes, ensuring that the architecture molds itself to the site, rather than imposing upon it. The deliberate contrast between the enclosed, private volumes and the open, permeable hallways creates a captivating interplay of sensations. The containment of sleeping areas gives way to expansive circulation paths, constantly reconnecting inhabitants with the surrounding rocks and vegetation. These hallways are more than just conduits, they are clever collectors of natural warmth and light, their temperature modulated by the shade of the encompassing rocks and the house's strategic northward orientation. The living and dining areas, anchored by a dramatic 5x10 meter cantilevered corner window, dissolve the boundary between indoors and outdoors, making these spaces integral and vibrant hubs. Even the materials reflect this profound connection to the earth. A light gray stucco, mirroring the neighboring rocks, is complemented by a slate-grained stone floor and strategically placed glass that reflects the environment, further blending the structures into their context. This minimalist palette ensures that the architecture remains a quiet backdrop, allowing the undeniable beauty of Las Rocas' natural surroundings to always take center stage, with each home's unique interior design by Ana Paula de Alba celebrating the synergy of user, architecture, and context.